Alright, so just out here on the KTM Super Adventure, not really having any plans, just out for a Sunday cruise before the hurricane and bad weather comes in, I think around noon. So get a couple hours on the bike, no GPS, no plans, just kind of riding and seeing where it takes me. It'll be a big ass bird to hit. Oh, flock of them. Old McDonald. Alright, entering Gambrill State Park. Hi, little squirrel. Used to come up here mountain biking, but man, they had some gnarly trails. Cool little view of Frederick, Maryland. Leaves are starting to change, looks nice. Skinny ass house. Black. Right? Hi, buddies. Cable Brook Road. Finally found what I was looking for. It's a little different. There's some big boulders in there. To be honest, I didn't put my tire repair kit in, so I'm trying to be a little smart about what I hit. So I'm kind of all over the place. This suspension is surprisingly really good. I need to play with it a little bit, set it up for my weight and everything, but without playing with the clickers, it's pretty good over this stuff. Some washouts, some boulders in here, so eating it up. Yeah, this is why I got this bike, doing stuff like this. The one thing, I hate these pegs though, these things suck. Looking forward to getting the bar risers. Big shout out to Todd Chapman. He up on comment section and got his contact information from Mario, and he's sending me out a set of bar risers. You know, obviously I got a small YouTube channel, but there's some amazing people on it. Thank you to him. Can't wait to get those on and give them a try. I think it'll help a little bit if I'm trying to stand up for longer periods of time. It's amazing, just a couple minutes here off-road. I feel like it's just starting to become more natural with being able to fling the bike around. Nice guy getting out of the way. Surprisingly, when you're up on the pegs, this bike feels light. Kind of flick it around where you want. Look at that on camera. I think my wife would like that. That was beautiful. She likes the blues. Alright, well, I'm going to start working my way back home. The main goal today was just get out, ride a little bit, get more comfortable on the bike, and explore some of the gravel roads in the area. I definitely think there's some more out there. Gotta probably do a little more research, but the road that I found was just awesome there through Gambrill State Park and the watershed. Just a great day. I've only put about 275 miles on the bike so far, so it'll be just over 300 by the time I work my way back home. Trying to get through this break-in mileage. Overall though, the bike's just been amazing. I wish I would have done this so much sooner. I feel way more comfortable on the bike as far as just being able to ride. I used to get kind of some pain in my wrist on the FJR. That's all gone. I just feel like I can ride all day. So the goal really is just to keep finding more roads, and I want to do the BDR here in the spring, do that from beginning to end, and then eventually working up to the TAT trail. I think the hardest part with that is, maybe I'll do a portion of it, but I just don't have any way to take that time off of work, and by the time you get over to the other coast, then you gotta come all the way back home. So look forward to figuring out how to do that one day, but for now, just find everything that we can that's kind of in a week time frame for a trip. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you all next time. All right, I was having too much fun riding, so worked my way into Virginia somewhere. Found a couple of gravel roads here. Yep, here's 15. Worked out.